Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I've got an instructional video on a daily warm-up that'll help you play bar chords. I hear a lot of beginners say that bar chords are driving them crazy, so I think I have a simple secret to make them a lot easier. And I've made this prop here. These three notes are really all you need to do to make a bar chord. You don't necessarily need to make the bar, but those three notes, if you can hear those, you will hear it. And you can do this on an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar. So let me show you how I do it, okay? So a bar chord is where you lay across the whole fret with your finger and you strum all these strings. It's very hard to do when you start out because it's hard to make all the strings ring. But the reality is, if you have this note, this one, and this one, you can achieve that chord. You can play a G chord like that. You don't need to play all those notes in the beginning while you're learning. And my simple warm-up in the morning to do this is I go when you start out, you're playing an E chord. The first chord up here will be E. You take these two fingers that you'll use in your lower notes on a bar chord and just put them on the second fret of the A and the second fret of the D. That's an E, F. You slide up to the third fret, that's a G. Slide up to the fifth fret is an A. Seventh fret is a B. Eighth fret is going to be a C chord. The 10th fret will be a D. And the 12th fret is an entire octave, so you're back to E. So it's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Strumming all the strings so they sound. And after you do that, you take all these notes and you move them up down the neck one string. That's an A chord. I just have these two fingers on the second fret of the D and the G string, and then I'm hitting my open A string here. Then on the second fret, this will be a B chord. Second fret of the A string, fourth fret of the D string, fourth fret of the G string, okay? Move it up one fret, you're in a C chord. Move it up to the fifth fret, and that's a D chord. E chord is on the seventh fret. F chord is on the eighth fret. G is on the 10th fret. And when you're on the 12th fret, you're playing an A again. So you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And as you practice this every day, if you just Start throwing in those lower strings down there and see if they're ringing. Before you know it, they will. Before you know it, they'll all be ringing, and you'll be doing it effortlessly without even thinking about it. So that's a good way to practice bar chords, and I think it's a great way to start out before you're learning. If you're learning a song when you practice, start out with your warm up. Play these chords, and it'll strengthen your fingers, and it'll make you switch between the chords more easily too. And I think it's a very simple way to do it. So I hope you've gotten something from this. If you did, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more suggestions for a song you want to learn or some question about making chords or something, leave it in the comments below, all right? Thank you. Have a good day.